Good morning, guys, and welcome back out here to the farm. It's a beautiful morning this morning on the farm. Sun's shiny. Everything's starting to get green out here. Makes me get excited about the springtime. This morning we're out here. We're going to try to get this. I've got some burn oil here. I'm fixing to put a little diesel in it, mix it up, make a waterproofing kind of sealer for my floor of my stock trailer. So just hang out with me here a minute, guys. Let's get this mixed up and see if we can't get this thing sealed. I'm gonna put a little diesel fuel in it here. Gotta get our morning starting fluid in. All right. We're gonna add some diesel. Just need about 40% diesel to 60% oil. Oh, and I'm dripping it in my coffee cup. How about that? I bet that'll taste good. Make my coffee come out a little quicker. See if it's... Oh, it tastes okay, but man, that does not smell good. Nothing like a little diesel perfume. All right, we're gonna head over here to this livestock trailer and get this thing sealed, guys. Just get the back of this trailer opened up. Set my coffee down right there. Maybe I won't forget where it's at. Oh, and I gotta find a broom. Sweep this thing out. I'll be right back. All right, y'all, I grabbed a broom. I'm gonna sweep this out right quick, and we will be ready to seal it. It ain't gonna be nothing super special or pretty. It's just gonna, hopefully it'll prolong the life of it. Get most of these wood chips out of here where we screwed these boards down. I can't believe how much lighter that is where it was laid out in the sun. Up, this side was up, this side was down. This is a whole lot more red than these boards. And I'm just curious if they'll all look the same once they're stained, or if that being sun bleached is going to change all of it. We'll find out. It doesn't matter in this trailer, but it will be good to know for the future. If we have something we want to finish in the future, we might want to pick the good side of the board and face them down if it's going to make a great big difference. All right, we're gonna use this old oil pan and pour some of this in it. Start rolling it on, see what it looks like. Bring y'all in here just a little closer. Probably don't want to get too close. All right, let's see what we got here. See how far this stuff will go. I didn't mix up much because I didn't want to have a bunch left over, which is not going to hurt anything, but I just don't want to waste the diesel if I don't have to. Hard to get around those edges. Pretty much looks like I stained it with wood stain. May want to let that set a little while and put another coat. We will see. Like I said, it ain't got to be perfect. It's just to help prolong the life of it, hopefully. But so far, it doesn't look so bad. Alright, I'm going to turn you guys around here. I know I've already said it, but this is nothing but old used oil and a little diesel to thin it down, and it works pretty well. I may wind up letting this set a little while and put another coat on it. Just see how good it looks when it dries. I think I am going to find me a paintbrush when it dries and go back around the edges a little bit. That's where it's going to catch most of the manure, and urine's going to run right around the edges. pretty good so far. It may take about that much more to do another coat. I probably had about 2 gallons of diesel oil and diesel oil in there, and I think it's going to coat one time anyways. May actually have enough to do another coat mixed up. Hard to get up under that edge right there. Move my pan out here. Out of the way and get this back done. Now, these boards on the back, I said this in earlier videos, they're just poplar. I ran out of red oak, but I ain't got time to saw anymore, and I've got pigs going to slaughter in a few days, a couple of weeks actually, but I just ain't gonna have time to get these cut, so I'm just using what I've got for now. We will try to get some more cut and change them out later, but this is a whole lot better shape. This is in a whole lot better shape than it was. For sure. It's not anything fancy, but it is definitely going to serve us well. Alright guys, I think that's going to wrap this video up. I may do a little trim work on this after it dries. Let it set a while, see how long it's going to take to dry enough that I can get in there. But I think that's going to do this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this kind of content, please hit that like and subscribe. Doesn't cost you anything, and we will have more content like this on this channel, and we will see you out here on the farm another day.